Located just 4 miles south of Traer, Iowa, this premium roughly 40-acre farm offers a rare opportunity to own highly productive Tama County farmland. With 38.11 FSA certified cropland acres and an outstanding 92.5 CSR2, this tract stands out as a top-tier addition to any farming operation or land investment portfolio. The soils, Nevin Silty Clay Loam, Kolowili Complex, and Tama Silty Clay Loam, are well known for their productivity and consistency. Tile has been installed where needed, ensuring proper drainage and long-term performance. Convenient access is provided with road frontage along Q Avenue, and multiple nearby grain markets allow for flexible and efficient crop marketing. For investors, there's strong tenant interest, offering immediate income potential. For more details, contact Iowa Land Specialist Matt Tobin or visit highpointlandcompany.com. Whether you're looking to expand your operation or secure a quality investment, this A-plus property checks all the boxes.